These are the Goli Nutrition Ashwagandha gummies. This is one serving right here. This is what it looks like. 2 gummies are the serving. You can see this is about the size of a quarter. It's not too big, not too small. It's just a really nice size here. These are mixed berry flavor. Just have a really nice taste. You get 60 gummies per bottle here. So I picked this up in a 2-pack. So you get 120 gummies. You get a 60-day supply here. So you're going to take 2 of these a day, and you get a 30-day supply here for each bottle. The mixed berry flavor tastes really good. Goli Nutrition's been around for a long time. I'm a repeat buyer of their products. Really nice taste, like it says here, relax, restore, and rewind. That's exactly what the ashwagandha gummies do. They're going to just basically take the edge off of things. Just really easy to take. Just take these throughout the day, 2 of them each day, and again, you get a 60-day supply here. They stay fresh in here. This is a really nice bottle. You could see inside a little bit, and when they're running low. And then it has the nutrition profile right here. You could see 25 calories per 2 gummies, 6 carbohydrates, and it's got the vitamin D2, the KSM 66, ashwagandha root extract at the 300 milligrams. This is just really great stuff. Again, gluten-free, non-GMO, plant-based, vegan, just a really great supplement here. So if you're looking into ashwagandha, there's a lot of choices out here. Goli Nutrition is definitely the one you want to check out.